Number 1. Big body luxury with Series 7 South Swider. This 1978 Cadillac Coupe DeVille in colonial yellow offers classic curb appeal and solid mechanicals for just $5,000 or best offer. It's been upgraded with a rebuilt carburetor, fresh exhaust, and a low-mileage transmission from an Olds Delta 88, making it a smooth-running cruiser. The undercarriage is remarkably clean and undercoated, showing minimal rust for its age, especially rare in the Northeast. While the vacuum-operated VIC needs sorting and a few minor fixes remain, the clean frame, strong drivetrain, and eye-catching style make this Coupe DeVille a prime candidate for weekend drives or full restoration. Number 2. Bold, black, and built to cruise. This 1965 Chevrolet Impala in Fort Worth, Texas is offered at $5,500 or trade. It brings timeless muscle with a modern twist. It's powered by a fuel-injected 350 TBI V8 mated to a 2-speed power-glide automatic transmission, delivering dependable performance with a vintage vibe. The interior is in nice shape, the white wall tires are fresh, and the manual brakes stop it just fine. Aftermarket gauges add a custom touch. And while it's not perfect, it's solid and ready to enjoy. This classic full-size Chevy has the stance, sound, and style to turn heads on any boulevard. Number 3. Full-size muscle with unmistakable presence. This 1969 Mercury Marauder X100 is a rare blend of brute power and late 60s South luxury. Offered at $8,995 in remarkably clean, unrestored condition. Under the hood sits the mighty 429 CI 7.0L V8 with just 69,000 original miles and a smooth automatic transmission. Finished in green with a tan interior, it exudes vintage confidence and has never seen a winter road. Its frame is rock solid, the interior is clean, the body straight, and it's turnkey ready to cruise if you're after a bold, under-the-radar, classic with muscle car DNA. This Marauder delivers serious style and torque. Number 4. Iconic styling and timeless attitude define this 1962 Chevrolet Impala. Offered at just $4,600 in classic blue over matching interior. With 64,446 miles showing and an automatic transmission, this two-door brings all the early 60s presence you'd expect from a full-size Chevy legend. The car reportedly has no major damage and holds a clean title, making it a great starting point for restoration or a preservation-style build. While details are light, the price and bones are strong. This one's all about potential. If you're after vintage cool without breaking the bank, this Impala hits the sweet spot. Number 5. Utility meets attitude in this rare 80s street machine. This 1983 GMC Caballero in Sarasota, FL blends muscle and practicality with a 350 V8. Rebuilt turbo 350 automatic. Hooker headers, dual exhaust, and classic Krager SS wheels. It runs and drives strong, delivering that vintage rumble you expect. The body's in fair shape with some rust through on the driver's side rear floor. And, while the AC components are there, they'll need sorting. Still, it's a cool, seldom seen alternative to the El Camino ready to cruise, haul, or show. Offered at $7,500 or best offer. And the seller's open to trades, just no bikes. Number 6. Big, bold, and built to cruise. This 1961 Ford Galaxie is offered at $6,000 and delivers classic full-size vibes with a strong 350 to V8 under the hood and a smooth shifting cruise-o-matic automatic transmission. Located in honest driver condition, it's had tons of recent mechanical attention, including a new timing chain, belts, gaskets, water pump, transfer and diff fluid. The valve covers and air cleaner are powder-coated. It's rolling on fresh tires, and a brand new headliner comes with the sale. It's not show perfect, but it's solid, fun, and ready to hit the road with vintage Ford charm and a clean title. Number 7. Big fins and big attitude. This 1963 Cadillac Series 62 is priced at $8,500 and captures everything that made early 60s South luxuries so unforgettable. Rust-free and California-born, it runs and drives with confidence thanks to a new water pump, timing set, fuel system refresh, spark parts, belts, gaskets, and Pertronix ignition. The painted engine bay adds extra flair, and it rolls on newer tires. The automatic transmission shifts smooth, and an AC compressor is included for future comfort. It's not flawless, but it's straight, striking, and full of style. Trade offers welcome for a 6.0 excursion or something fast. Cash talks first. Number 8. Colorful, quirky, and full of character. This 1970 Ford Galaxie 500 is a true 70s survivor. Priced at $5,000 and located in Kansas. Still wearing its original yellow paint and green interior, this full-size Ford shows just 79,500 miles and runs strong with its 351 V8 and automatic transmission. It's had fresh tires, brakes, shocks, and a transmission filter plus cold AC and a factory FM radio upgrade. Not perfect, but definitely reliable and ready for weekend drives. Owned by a Ford enthusiast and offered with a clean title. No trades, cash only, a bold, fun slice of vintage Detroit metal. Number 9. Straight from the streets of the 80s, this 1985 Chevrolet Monte Carlo LT is priced at $7,500 and packs classic G-body attitude with a crisp white exterior and bold blue interior. It's powered by a reliable 305 V8 paired with an automatic transmission and shows 95,000 miles. It runs and drives, but needs minor fixes, like brakes, AC service, and speedometer repair. Still, it's a mostly complete, rust-free coupe that delivers big style and solid bones. Whether you're into cruising or customizing, this Monte Carlo offers the perfect retro platform to build your dream on. Clean title and ready to roll. Number 10. Affordable elegance with vintage flair. This 1979 Mercury Cougar is a Malay Zero cruiser. Priced at $4,500 and ready for the road. With 98,000 miles, it's a daily driven classic that runs all once warmed up and has tackled both short commutes and long hauls with ease. Under the hood is a smooth V8 paired with an automatic transmission, delivering relaxed highway comfort. The blue paint still pops, though it could use a headliner, radio fix, and speedo repair. Otherwise, it's dependable and stylish. A comfy, cool land yacht that's easy to love and even easier to cruise. Number 11. Two-door slab-side Continentals don't show up every day. This 1968 Lincoln is a rare land yacht priced at $7,500 and loaded with potential. Under the hood sits a monstrous 460 V8, paired with an automatic transmission, and yes, it runs and drives. Currently, it's fed from a 1-gallon jug while the gas tank awaits reconnection. The body is mostly solid, with light rust behind the rear wheels. The trunk and floors, however, are clean. It includes the original keys, clean title, and all door panel hardware. Nearly untouched aside from an older repaint, this Lincoln is a standout project begging for revival. Number 12. Sharp lines and square body swagger. This 1980 Ford GMC 1500 Club Coupe Shortbed is a clean classic that's getting harder to find. Dressed in black with a burgundy interior, it shows just over 96,000 miles and runs strong with an automatic transmission, solid brakes, and good tires. The seller is handling the sale for their father-in-law. It's a no-nonsense, cash-only deal. The truck's originality and short bed style make it a great candidate for weekend cruises or light restoration. At $7,500, it's a solid buy for anyone chasing vintage pickup vibes without breaking the bank. Number 13. Built to haul and cruise in style. This 1980 Chevrolet C10 long bed is a custom classic priced at $8,000. It sports a rebuilt 250 straight-six, mated to a 7.0R for automatic transmission with lock-up converter, both backed by receipts. Lowered with a side exit stack exhaust, steel headache rack, and bed-mounted toolbox. It's full of character. The interior's clean, with a custom sound system and neatly covered dash. Fresh brakes, rear air shocks, LED bumper bars, and dual fuel tanks make it both functional and fun. Cool running and ready to roll, this C10 blends utility with custom flair in one dependable package. Number 14. Utility meets attitude in this 83 GMC Caballero, a red-on-red classic with unmistakable 80s style. Powered by 305 V8, paired to an automatic transmission, it runs and drives while offering a solid foundation for light cosmetic refreshing or weekend cruising. The paint and interior show their age but still hold plenty of character. Located at Armstrong Cars in Hickory, NC and priced at $6,500 with a clean title, this Caballero is a fun, affordable way into the world of vintage utes. Whether you're collecting or just want something different, this rare GMC is ready for its next adventure. Number 15. Straight from the heartland, this 1968 GMC 1500 long bed is a Southern classic priced at $8,500 and built to turn heads. Under the hood, it reportedly hides a 327 V8 with a 400 crank, cam, and solid lifters offering serious, old-school muscle. Paired with an automatic transmission, it runs strong and stays rust-free. The doors and tailgate shut solid. With just 54,000 miles, it's been lovingly preserved, though the power has become a bit much for its elderly owner. Clean, straight, and located in Seminole, Oklahoma, this long bed GMC offers vintage charm and performance in one no-nonsense package. Number 16. Bold looks and boulevard float. This 1977 Cadillac DeVille is priced at $9,500 or best offer in Houston, Texas. Finished in striking yellow with a matching interior, this full-size cruiser rides low on air thanks to an AccuAir system and 20-inch smoothie wheels. Powered by a smooth-running V8 and automatic transmission, it is driven 100 miles daily by its current owner, proving its road readiness. The air conditioning is not functional, and the interior could use some love, but the car mechanics are strong. With unmistakable presence and classic Cadillac comfort, this car brings vintage flair to every mile traveled. Number 17. Rugged, lifted, and loaded with attitude. This 1979 Chevrolet K5 Blazer is offered at $9,500 and ready for dirt or pavement. It's powered by a small block 350 NTH for automatic transmission. Wearing a 6-in lift and fresh 33-in rubber, it recently completed a 150 miles run without issue. The AC system is present but needs a compressor and lines. Rust is visible but manageable, mostly on the fenders, quarters, and tailgate, while the frame and underside remain clean. With just 60,000 miles, only 2 owners, and a clean Utah title, this is a straight-shooting classic for that blends power, utility, and vintage Chevy presence. Number 18. Vintage strength with Southern charm. This 1972 Ford F-150 long bed is priced at $7,400 or best offer in Tennessee. Powered by a stout 360 cubic inch V8 and automatic transmission, it shows 89,000 original miles and delivers a smooth, confident drive. Equipped with power steering, power brakes, and factory air conditioning, the system is complete, and the compressor spins freely. A rebuilt carburetor, new fuel pump, and full brake system overhaul make it road-ready. Finished in green with a matching interior, it shows minor rust on the rear bed and passenger door corners. But the cab mounts and floors are solid throughout. Number 19. Black, bold, and built Ford tough. This 1979 Ford F-150 Ranger is offered at $4,500 in Williamstown, Kentucky. It brings classic truck vibes with a strong running 300 to V8 under the hood. Paired with an automatic transmission and riding on brand new tires, it's a reliable cruiser or ready-to-work pickup that just needs light cosmetic love. Showing 97,000 miles, to solid body and frame give it a great foundation for restamod dreams or weekend duties. The striking black exterior and red interior combo give it that vintage Ford charm that never goes out of style. A clean, simple survivor with loads of potential. Number 20. Project Seekers. Take note. This 1967 Ford pickup is priced at just $1,100 or best offer in Far, Texas. Powered by a running 390 cubic inch V8 and paired to an automatic transmission, it is titled in the seller's name and ready for someone to bring it back to life. The tan exterior and blue interior give it a true period vibe. And while it needs full restoration, the bones are solid for a shop truck, farm rake, or custom build. For those who enjoy wrenching and want a budget-friendly entry into classic Ford trucks, this one is a smart pickup.